Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to go to guys Redmi mobile setting guys, and today friends I am going to show guys Redmi mobile guys contact number save setting. How to save contact number in Redmi mobile. One by one and then step by step we will talk about how to save contact number. Open your phone setting friends. Open your phone call setting friends first of all. After phone call setting friends, you can see this type interface. Then click here and which number you want to save with enter number. Example this is number you want to save in your Redmi mobile. Example. Friends, click here create new contact and enter name. Friends, I will enter my best friend contact number. My no, not best friend number. Best best friend number save. And friends, you can see contact number will save in my Redmi mobile best friend number. And friends, you can check your contact number. And friends, you can check date also with today 12 April. And friends, you can check 12 April Wednesday I saved this number in my Redmi mobile. After save contact number, friends, you want to send text message to your best friend. So friends, click here and enter text message hello, good morning, good night, good afternoon, like that, and you can send to your friend. Click here SMS and you can send text message to your friend. Friends, you can see call setting. You want to call to your friend, so friends click here and you can call to your friend. And friends, if you click here, so friends you can edit contact number. Friends, you want to add picture, so friends click here, select photo. After select photo guys, click here and friends you can save photo on this number. OK option, photo will save. So bye friends, thanks for watching the video. I hope friends you understood how to save contact number in Redmi mobile. Bye friends.